Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to manually migrate Salesforce files related to a Salesforce record into Amazon S3. Let's see how this works. First, navigate to the account record with a few Salesforce files which are not migrated in Amazon S3. Find the Upload Salesforce Files section. It will display a list of Salesforce files related to that account record which are not migrated in Amazon S3. To begin the migration process, click on the Upload button. This will start the upload process. During the upload, if you want to skip any particular file, simply click on the Skip button when the status of that file is uploading. Additionally, if you want to skip all upcoming files, you can do that by clicking on Abort All. It will take some time for the uploading process. Once all files are processed, you will see those files in the S3 Files section. Thank you for watching.